Hey everyone, it's me and Cotti. Yep, we're gonna open up a package I got from Russia. Yes, another one made it through. I am so happy these packages are making it through. So, we're gonna open this package up. This is from our friend Alex. He always makes some really good wares. Of course. It's gonna scare Cotti, I think. She don't like bags. So, what's in this bag? We're gonna have to destroy it. Like vacuum sealed. He packed that really well. Oh, yep, she's just gonna lay on me. I'm gonna put that right over there. So, don't cut her tail off. This is a real light package. Oh, look at this. Hey, what's that? Man, he really packed that, didn't he? Okay, we got a couple chips. And we got a Mega Magic. Look at that. That's for me to assemble here. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. See his Telegram? Check that out. Follow that if you want one of these assembled. These are awesome devices. 144 pin breakout board for the Xeltek. Yeah, she's going to sleep. Maybe if I tossed her a bag, she'd play with it. No. She'll investigate it. So we got Mega Magic, another V2, and a special chip. So these will get stashed away here for another day. But look at this. That's a lot of work. I've designed my own board, but this is a lot better. This is awesome. So, if you guys own a Xeltek 6100N, get one of these. It's new. It's revolutionary. It'll save you a lot of money and adapters. So, Cotti and I are going to go. We'll catch y'all later.